De aula, não é dia de ficar passeando, não. Eles falaram que hoje não tem nada de importante na escola. E você acreditou neles, é? Eu tô acreditando nisso. A gente já tá pronto, né? E outra. Se quiser ir, a gente vai. Partiu?
Muito boa noite, que é o canal do Coisinha, sou eu aqui, DJ Márcio. Vou começar aqui o programa tocando hip hop. O objetivo é você seguir. Você me segue que eu te sigo de volta. Eu vou começar o programa depois da vinheta, mais ou menos assim, ó.
She don't wait in lines if it's too long. She don't drop the whip unless the roof fall. Only wanna call when the cash out. Only take the pic when the ass out. She from Malibu, Malibu. If you ain't got a foreign, then she laugh at you. Malibu, Malibu. Spending daddy's money with an attitude. Roxanne, Roxanne. All she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn. Never gonna love me, but it's alright. She think I'm an asshole, she think I'm a player. She keep running back though, only cause I pay her. Roxanne, Roxanne. All she wanna do is party all night. In LA, yeah, got no brakes, yeah. Living fast, Ricky Bobby shaking bait, yeah. See the chain, yeah. It's a late, yeah. Swipe the chase, ooh, now she wanna date, yeah. Straight and no boo, on the coast, ooh. Shorty only like cocaine and Whole Foods, yeah. Snapping all up on the grandmas, going crazy. Now she wanna fuck me in the foreign, going ayy. Up in Malibu, Malibu. If you ain't got a foreign, then she laugh at you. Malibu, Malibu. Spending daddy's money with an attitude. Roxanne, Roxanne. All she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn, Roxanne. Never gonna love me, but it's alright. She think I'm an asshole, she think I'm a player. She keep running back though, only cause I pay her. Roxanne, Roxanne. All she wanna do is party all night. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's still my love and I hate you and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me. You left me falling and landing inside my grave. I know that you want me dead. I take prescriptions to make me feel A-okay. I know it's all in my head. I have these lucid dreams where I can't move a thing, thinking of you in my bed. You were my everything, thoughts of a wedding ring. Now I'm just better off dead. I'll do it over again. shit blowing the wind. I should've listened to my friends. Leave this shit in the past, but I wanted to last. You were made out of plastic, fake. I was tangled up in your drastic ways. Who knew evil girls had the prettiest face? You gave me a heart that was full of mistakes. I gave you my heart and you made heartbreak. You made my heart break. You made my heart break. You made my heart break.
DJ,
you made my heart ache. You made my heart break. You made my heart ache. You made my heart break again. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me.
Esse programa é show.
This is all God's doing, man, you can't plan it. But if the devil's in the details, then I'm satanic. About to take over your city and you can't stand it. My clown say you sinking like the Titanic. David Blaine last summer, man, you had to vanish. I get the hits like somebody pitching underhanded. Got my Spanish team convinced that I know Spanish. Really, when she get to talking, I don't understand it. You ain't on it right away, you had to wait on niggas. Man, I'm only 29, had some patience with us. Plus, I never met nobody from my label, nigga. I just pop up with the music, then they pay a nigga, yeah. Shit ain't been the same like before. I still love it, but I used to love it more. FaceTime with my shorty on tour, and she texting purple hearts cause she know that we at war, yeah. Niggas keep reaching and dissing. Can't afford mistakes, not on this end. Let me call my bros for assistance. You gon' make me call my bros for assistance. Niggas keep reaching and dissing.
DJ,
put me in a fault up position. You gon' make me call my bros for assistance. Let me call my bros.
Baby, I'm a savage, I ain't romantic. When I come around, these rapper niggas start to panic. And they pockets going under like the Titanic. Got some head last night and it was outstanding. They was hating on me then and they hating now. She was playing with me then, but she waiting now. Used to sleep inside a den, I got acres now. I was fighting niggas then, but I'm spraying now. Blasting. I don't pay no mind to no sleep, bitch. Nope. I won't spend a dime on a freak, bitch. Niggas taking cheap shots on some cheap shit. They the type to stand in line for some free shit, bro, bitch. Baby girl gon' suck it to a jaws lock. Suck it up. She gon' make me put my bitch on car block. Fucking up. We the ones popping, we the ones shopping. We the ones dropping niggas, we the ones. They the ones ducking when them heaters come. You that nigga snitching on your people, huh? 21 Savage, aka the Reaper, huh? Pussy niggas getting shot for all that reaching, huh?
Niggas keep reaching and dissing. Can't afford mistakes, not on this end. Let me call my bros for assistance. You gon' make me call my bros for assistance. Niggas keep reaching and dissing. Put me in a fault up position. Let me call my bros for assistance. Let me call my bros. No. I don't need love, I'm the GOAT. I just hit the beat and float. And I'm selling out arenas, but you putting on a show. I've been trying to change life around for everyone I know. Cause if I don't share the wealth, then how the fuck we supposed to grow? Mom stressed, there's a lot of things we need. Chain smoking in the house, it's hard to breathe. I used to have to hit my T's with Febreze. Jordan pull up in the TL, now I'm cheese. I'ma turn this TSX into a band soon. I'ma see a lot of blessings from my friends soon. 150-inch screen in my bedroom. 6'1", man, a nigga need some leg room. Shit ain't been the same like before. They don't even wanna look up at the score. FaceTime with my shorty on tour, and she texting purple hearts cause she know that we at war, yeah. Niggas keep reaching and dissing. Can't afford mistakes, not on this end. Let me call my bros for assistance. You gon' make me call my bros for assistance. Niggas keep reaching and dissing. Put me in a false position. Let me call my bros with another bitch. Let me call my bros. Cause we all hit. Yeah, we all with the fuck shit. Yeah, we all with the fuck shit. Too lit, shit be full lit. We ain't trippin' cause we all hit. Yeah, that's the shit I like. I ain't got no type, I can't decide. Girls like girls, they can't decide. Niggas pussy with a side of wine. No, it ain't no telling what we might do. What she in a pin out with a tight view. We forgot me, so she got my eyes glued. Oh yeah, that's my girl and that's our wife too. Lit, shit be full lit. Pick me up at 4-6. Got a bitch with another bitch. We ain't trippin' cause we all hit. Yeah, we all with the fuck shit. Yeah, we all with the fuck shit. Too lit, shit be full lit. Okay. We ain't trippin' cause we all hit.
Big side.
All my niggas quit it and never call me.
DJ.
Pick the shovels up, bend it over top Hey, put that phone down, man, your fucking business, girl. Hey, put some money up if you so independent, girl. Man, I'm just trying to pull some diamonds in your pen to get your titty fit. Presidential streets and private jets outside the city shit. One thing I can't stand is a pity hole. Can't keep your business to yourself, don't go to telephone. By where you been and how much pussy you be selling for. Don't wanna see you with a telescope, tell them go.
Shit be too lit, shit be full lit. Pick me up at 4-6. Got a bitch with another bitch. We ain't trippin' cause we all hit. Yeah, we all with the fuck shit. Yeah, we all with the fuck shit. Too lit, shit be full lit. We ain't trippin' cause we all hit.
Ay, dollar hit it, B.O.B. hit. Tip hit it, TV hit. Ay, I feel like we the new dog pound. She know dollar getting money now. I'ma pass it like Cam, yeah. I'ma pass it like ooh. I got diamonds on my neck, I got diamonds on my rib. Put some diamonds on my main bitch. In the Porsche, so wavy, put a rollie on my lady. Dollar need a new baby. She know dollar stay litty, still ain't heard about dollar. You should come to my city.
Shit be too lit, shit be full lit. Pick me up
Esse programa é show.
With another bitch. We ain't trippin' cause we all hit. Yeah, we all with the fuck shit. Yeah, we all with the fuck shit. Too lit, shit be full lit. We ain't trippin' cause we all hit.
I got a Range Rover with spinners. I got an Impala with beat. Let's go. I do ride Bentleys and cool, but I don't give away all my loot. Trade over, sell it, try No, this might be a single when I walk my chains on, so they might jingle if she give me low. Hater know where my crew so famous that I can't go nowhere in the loop. You name it, the mall, the gas station, them people be waiting to see me hopping something, hating on them dudes too skating, running it like Walter Payton and tell you I'm so blatant. The paper I'm saving, my bank account is amazing. I'm rating myself for 20, I'm taking myself from 20. I'm doing this show for 20, then holla at shit in 20. That's all money I got to make. Stack up a couple $100 mil, then take my ass to break down.
DJ.
But I don't give away.
Márcio.
Trade over, sell it, time I won't. Ride less than 20 inches, I don't. But I do ride Bentleys and cool, but I don't give away all my loot. Trade over, sell it, time I won't. Yo, piece of Pimp C locked up. I got a 75 Caprice in my yard, a Louis drop top graphics, man, it's hard. Custom made interior, dirty, yes. Nathan spinning spokes, 24s on hit. Yep, got a TV and a steering wheel like Luda. And if you run up on me, look dirty, I'll shoot ya. GIB1 on my customized plates. Slide a lot, riders don't never come fake. I'm about to hit Lillian, just past Claxton. Dipping with a piece, that's better than Tony Braxton. Made a right on Riverview, them 415s bump. I got them 3 amps and the woofers in my trunk. Yeah, I know your money hungry. On a road trip, you know I ride nothing less than them dubs. I do ride Bentleys and cool, but I don't give away all my loot. Trade over till the time I won't. Ride less than 20 inches, I don't. Trip over, saying trap, I won't. Ride less than 20 inches, I don't. But I 300 Hemi looking good. Rain sitting on them things looking good. 100,000 round my neck looking good. Cowards try to run up, I wish you would. I roll with nothing but ballers on 26s with them chrome lips. Rims on the truck make them heifers get hypnotized quick. Candy color paint, making new tricks painting it. Draws on my jocker, every time I'm stepping into my whip. OG boozy, rich money making you fool sick. Us slinging my dirty flipping some hoes. I don't give a damn if you don't give a damn. I'm a stun, I'm a gloss like cowards know who I am. Car, clothes, money, ice. Magnums, freaks, house, price, 1.5 like I do. Buy Bentleys and cool, but I don't give away all my loot. Trick over silly trap, I won't. Ride less than 20 inches, I don't. But I do buy Bentleys and cool, but I don't give away all my loot. Trick over silly trap, I won't. Ride less than 20 inches, I don't. But I do.
Starts off like a small town marriage. Lovely wife and life, baby carriage. Now all the stars have cars, success of course, but it ends in Hollywood divorce. Hollywood divorce.
And I'm a star. Yeah, and I don't have to go to Hollywood, cause Hollywood come through my neighborhood with cameras on. I really think they stealing from us like a sample song. I really wish one day we take it back like Hammer's home. The hurricane come and took my Louisiana home, and all I got in return was a darn country song. This old country wrong. Oh, but you're right if you just put a little ice on and cut your mic on, but you don't even write songs. But Hollywood make you spit like a python.
Big side,
I'm
big
in
side,
Cobra,
big
I'm
side.
so not sober, I'm high like a Hollywood.
DJ,
Coffee, a
DJ,
soda, you
DJ.
can call me a roller, hold up, your grill's glistening. Spend
Massive,
100,000 on
massive.
mine to feel different. What's the real sense of it? Bling bling, I know. And did you know I'm the creator of the term? I just straighten the perm. They let it sit too long. They just making it burn. Make a movie of our lifestyle, but they earn like a dead body burned on the mantelpiece. That's why I try not to lie on wax like it's candle grease. And I be the little nigga cooler than antifreeze. Deep frost on your window pane. Lil Wayne, but in Hollywood it's little Wayne. Don't make me numb, so that's why I got a pre-numb. I do.
Starts off like a small town marriage. Lovely wife and life, baby carriage. Now all the stars have cars, success of course, but it ends in Hollywood divorce. Hollywood divorce.
A is for Adamsville, B is for born home. See if I give a fuck, if you like me, you know I don't. If she ain't got a good head on her, leave that hoe alone. If she do got some good head on her, let her sing a song. D is for what I serve, I don't be on no curb. She ain't no junkie neither, I ain't no dope dealer. But she keep coming back, 3 stacks, must be some crack. Put that pipe in her lap, she ain't know how to act. Now that I've got your undivided attention, I'm gonna say this and run, under condition 1. Promise me you gon' stack, promise me you gon' ball, promise me you'll invest 3/4 of it all. For what? So your kids can have some cheese. Can't get with it, get on your knees, cause wealth is the word. Riches round the corner from the curb. Don't like what I write, shoot me a bird.
10th grade, the way was paid for me and Dre to create. Like Dr. Frankenstein, the arts and crafts. Now could we make a difference? Antoine Patton and Andre Benjamin been jamming for you crabbing rap niggas and journalists that's quick to misprint public and private business, then retract back for deaf ears and think it's dismissed. Part 2, the sequel, all new cast, just ain't the same. Gang of nerds on the internet slandering your name behind that screen name. They're lame and their life is pretty plain. M&M's with no nuts won't show up face to face. Straight bitch made like puppies on the nipples of a mutt. Address it on a case by case basis like the judge. What about the line ass hoe trying to plot? Or these niggas on the block who want the queen? Nigga, please. But even she can walk, we'll miss her. We don't believe but God don't make mistakes. Must be something bigger waiting.
Starts off like a small town marriage. Lovely wife and life, baby carriage. Now all the stars have cars, success of course, but it ends in Hollywood divorce. Hollywood divorce.
I do love you, but you hate me at the same time.
Lights, camera, action, it's game time. Do you take this here as your lovely wife? To love her and cherish her for all your life? I solemnly swear to dare share and take you there. And me and you together, baby, we a lucky pair. It's been a long time, we walk a thin line. Others say they got you, but you've been mine. As I sit back and watch all the cat fights, domestic violence, is that right? But you love the dog, gave me the spotlight. And now I'm going up, showing up, blowing up. I never ever thought that we were separated all. But you played me like a game of football. Used to feed me, need me, dress me. Now it's so messy, straight cut out and left me.
Hollywood divorce. All the fresh styles always start off as a good little hood thing. Look at blues, rock, jazz, rap. Not even talking about music and everything else too. By the time I reach Hollywood, it's over. But it's cool.
Ela deixou bilhete dizendo que ia sair fora. Levou meu coração, alguns CDs e um livro da hora. Mas eu não sei qual a razão, não entendi porque ela foi embora. E eu fiquei pensando em como foi e qual vai ser agora.
Que pena, pra mim tava tão bom aqui. Com a nega mais teimosa e a mais linda que eu já vi. Dividindo o edredom e o filme na TV. Chocolate quente, meus olhar era só por ser, mas cê não quis. Eu era mó feliz e nem sabia. Beijinho de caramelo que recheava meus dias. No sorriso matutino, bom dia paixão. A boca sabor café, só cachorra lá no colchão pulando. À noite nós varava até às 6. Sem despertador, levanta aí amor, são mais de 3 da tarde. Ouvi os pancadão lá do vizinho, te ajudando a lavar louça e de um Scott bem baixinho. Enquanto cê tomava banho, falando sobre a vida. Com certeza que achei a felicidade perdida entre as almofadas. Abraçado e quieto, sem pressa, trocando cartinha. E os carinhos cheios de promessa. Te dei amor e um canto no meu coração. Mas todo esse encanto não muda a situação. Pensando, que ia ser daqui pra frente? Não sei se perdemos tempo, o tempo se perdeu entre a gente. E ó, que engraçado, achei que ia ser pra sempre. Vi que eu sempre tive enganado. Então faz favor, não esquece seu orgulho. Quer ir embora, pode ir, mas devolve
ela
meus
deixou
bagulho,
bilhete dizendo que ia sair fora. Levou meu coração, alguns CDs e o meu livro mais da hora. Mas eu não sei qual a razão, não entendi porque ela foi embora. E eu fiquei pensando em como foi e qual vai ser agora. Meu quarto pede sua arrumação, minha camisa seu cheiro, metade de mim foi, já não me sinto inteiro. Me deixou um bilhete escrito, eu nunca vou te esquecer. Nem tudo aquilo que foi dito, ela foi assim, sem dó de mim. Deixou meu toca-disco, um DVD do Chaplin. Mesmo sabendo que eu prefiro Chaves e as guloseimas finas, ela me deixou só 3. Eu tenho que rir pra não chorar, tentando te esquecer, mas eu só consigo lembrar. Não sei se outra preta vai tomar o seu lugar, mas com tantas opções eu acho que vale tentar. Até porque você já tá em outro lugar. Comigo você nem deve mais se importar. Então faz favor, vê se esquece de mim. E o fim da nossa história foi assim. Ela deixou um bilhete dizendo que ia sair fora. Levou meu coração, alguns CDs e o meu livro mais da hora. Mas eu não sei qual a razão, não entendi porque ela foi. Não, eu fiquei pensando em como foi e qual vai ser agora.
É isso, né?
Explosive, West Coast shit, my niggerish. Where's your track? Girl, they used to tell me back. Causing me to yank they on me. Now I'm saying thank you cause they tell me my shit's the bomb. Explosive. For my niggas drinking cognac, smoking weed, always fat. More than one firearm, chrome rims, rhino. Chronic in your system, let me know. My shit's the bomb. Explosive.
West Coast shit, nigga, overdosage, imperial pistols ferocious. Fuck a bitch, don't tease, bitch. Strip
tease, bitch. Eat a bowl of these, bitch. Gobble a dick. Host forgot to eat a dick and shut the fuck up. Gargle and swallow a nut up. Shut up and get my cash. Backhanded, pimp slap backwards and left stranded. Just pop your collar. Pimp convention hoes for $1. 6 deuce in the brush, 6 deuce and baller. Pimpin' hoes from Texas to Guatemala. Bitch niggas pay for hoes, just to lay with hoes. Relax one night and pay to stay with hoes. Captain save them all day. Well say this dick, bitch nigga. You more of a bitch than a bitch. You ain't into hitting pussy or hitting the switch. You into hitting bitches off of the grip, you punk bitch.
All my real dogs still kicking with me. All my down hoes still tricking with me. All the true gangsters know they ain't never loved no hoe. All the hood rats still shake it for me. All my true fans still check it for me. All the real smokers know they ain't passing nothing but dope and D. Real trees, chronic leaves, no seeds. When I met you last night, baby, before I blew your mind, blew your mind. I thought we had a chance, lady. No more. Now that I'm sober, you ain't that fine. Don't wanna treat you wrong. Don't wanna lead you on. Here, baby, hit the bone while the West Coast rolls along. While we still making gangsta hits, you'll be still jocking gangsta dicks. Damn girl, you think you're slick. Somebody better get this big.
I got these freaky hoes clapping their hands, stomping their feet. Every now and then they put their mouth on me. Nowadays a G like me can't even call it a 23-year-old pussy fiend and freakaholic. Pimping bitches on the regular, I put that on the G. A hustler and a player, nowadays it pays to be. Let me drop some shit about this bitch I used to know. She gave your boy the head and said don't let nobody know. A bonafide pro, I had to grab a hoe. She got freaky in your 64, I skeeted in her throat. Been knowing the hoe for 4 days, pimpery pays. And I bet you didn't know that she go both ways. She ate her best friend, I left them hoes at the mo. They be beeping me and shit, but we don't kick it no more. Them hot hoes is fiending, they on the nuts. But bitch, I'm out your pussy when I nut. For real.
Explosive, explosive.
Count it up, count it up. 95 in my car. Nicotine in my blood. Gon' run it, run it. Count it, count it. Show me something. Talking that shit, keep on barking, little bitch. Busy trying to get lit. Rose popping with the bomb and on me. And I keep on calling. And they know that I don't answer myself. No, I love you, mama. I got so much comments, girl. You know I'm only into myself. So you flexing as a big lie. When I pull up, get it big lie. And you know that I'ma get mine. Yeah, yeah. Say you flexing as a big lie. When I pull up, get it big lie. And you know that I'ma get mine. Yeah, yeah. Say you flexing as a big lie. Say you got this shit you don't got. Or you say this shit 100 times. Yeah, yeah. See you flexing, that's a big lie. 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 Better park on that whip. The caddy is 76. My woman go box on the bitch. They don't want no part in that shit. DJ. Didn't watch the game, you can see that shit on play. I just drop the top and I pull up to you for dead. I just grab a button, I pop the top of your pour that water. So you flexing as a big lie. When I pull up, get it big lie. And you know that I'ma get mine. Yeah, yeah. Say you flexing as a big lie. When I pull up, get it big lie. And you know that I'ma get mine. Yeah, yeah. Say you flexing as a big lie. Say you got that shit you don't got. Or you say that shit 100 times. Yeah, yeah. And they know who they are.
bitches on. Say you flexing, it's a big lie. When I pull up, get it big show. And you know that I'ma get mine. Yeah, yeah. Say you flexing, it's a big lie. Say you got this shit, you don't got. Girl, you say this shit 100 times. Yeah, yeah. And they know who we are. And they know that we violent. When you wanna get this one day, I don't want your bitches on it.
It's your east side partner, Big Snoopy Dio. Turned like D-Lo, catch me on your TiVo. Yeah. Long Beach with me, the city and the turf chump. Get turf stumped, fucking with the turf pump. I'm geeked up, I'm on my tip hoe. Turn it up, bitch, what you here for? I'm going all in, that's what I do. My little niggas jerking, what's up with you? Little rapping ass, niggas tapping out. I'm almost 20 in, the fuck you rapping about? My niggas peeled up, the homies going big. I'm all in the club, 20 crib. You see a G, you better know the deal. You see the colors fool, I'm in the streets for real. I'm gigging on these hoes, do them like dominoes. I slam them on their back and tell them vomit up. I see them coming, huh? That's what I heard them say. The 38, the same colors, the Chevrolet. 501 zone, gangsters looking good. I'm in the club, home, chucking up the hood. We the West, boy, yeah, you see the shirt. Smoking on that coke, fucking with that perp. I gotta get her, man, baby hella thick. She said her name was Seven, call me Michael Vick. Cause I'm a dog, ho, give them the dick and dash. Fuck what you call, folk, if I ain't hit the ass. I'm Snoopy Ego Dub, I get it poppin' good. And when I'm in the building, they get to poppin' up. They get to spending cash, screaming T.I.U. Now gon' turn it up, lil' mama look at you. I'm gigging on these hoes, do them like dominoes. And slam them on their back and tell them bombing up. Dog chillin', looking like a million. Yeah, nigga got it, I'ma leave it till maturing. Tonight I'm on some other shit, and baby loving it. Hella fast, grip the ass like a oven mitt. I'm gooned up, boy, rich as fuck, boy. Black and gold brakes, that's my truck, boy. I'm on my east side, shit I'm working. I got the party going, and it's jerking. My niggas all on, we rolling out thick. Hoes getting in, you better pick a bitch. Cause when I shut it down, the party's over with. She call me Superman, I'm on my soldier shit. Boss dog, get him, I sick him and take him home. West Coast bitch, I'm on my fucking phone. I'm gigging on these hoes, do them like dominoes. And slam them on their back and tell them bombing out.
Problems in my city been deaded. I feel like me and my niggas are unthreatened. My new girl hating when I'm always spending. I guess I gotta get used to it cause my exes. But it's true though, but it's true though. I'm in the court north like I'm true though. Yeah, it's true though. Yeah, it's true though. My heart cold, but it really be for you though. Ooh, he do it better, that's a lie. Yeah, he at my level, that's a lie. Yeah, 100,000 for the time. Yeah, they fucking with us, that's a lie. A lie, a lie, 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 a lie.
All of my homies gonna shine. You fucking with us, that's a lie. It's true though. It's true though. I hope your box don't spread like the rumors. Sad, but it's true though. It's true though.
DJ.
Now we true though. She said the baby moms, that's a lie. Fired the hottest in the city, that's a lie. School teach you how to read the lines. In these streets, gotta read between the lines. Room full of eat the clouds. You don't wanna smoke, no. Fly choke, baby, I'ma choke them from the choke. Only the red in my eyes see where you come from. We the gang, either you run with or run. I'm the head rockin' battery up in the sock. Me and Max hit the block like Carmelo stock. And if I ain't the new chopper, that's a lie. And if they try to tell you we gon' stop, that's a lie.
He do it better, that's a lie. Yeah, he at my level, that's a lie. Yeah, 100,000 for the time. Yeah, they fucking with us, that's a lie. A lie, a lie, a lie. A lie, a lie, a lie.
All of my homies gonna shine. You fucking with us, that's a lie. Cheek, baby, so come and play. Daddy, you pay your cap. Baby, stay for a day. Knowing I got it made. Bitches, they call me whole son, more buns. Mommy bent over for her, I don't give her what she wanna, let her get it good. Put it on the tongue, told me, Charlie boy, you gotta get. Fix me with a lot of dick, hit me with a lot of kick. Show me you the man, busting quickies and dipping, that be something I can't stand. Other plans, baby, handle it. Try to put me in a twirl.
Programa show.
Put me in your video, I can make a wave, baby girl coming home when you can't stay.
Ooh, he do it better, that's a lie. Yeah, he at my level, that's a lie. Yeah, 100,000 for the time. Yeah, they fucking with us, that's a lie. A lie, a lie, 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 a lie.
All of my homies gonna shine. You fucking with us, that's a lie.
I was born, I've been hustling strong. I've been struggling since the town, now them days is gone. I ain't got time for the vicar and the carry, you know. Ain't too much in the hood, I don't know. How many times do I have to say that I'm wrong? I'm a young buck that's still enough to know when you niggas is home.
I still remember them nights under the street light. Things don't give a damn, they won't got the cheap price. I'm trying to keep right, get it and go. You see, people is dying fast and the money is slow. We used to hang in front of the stove, flag down cars to be a movie star. Go get a glass jar. Once you cook it and cut it, homie, go stand out in public. See the work sell itself if you got enough of it. Send it through and shop, but see it's all in the game. Even I took a couple of them, but still I remain. I ain't different from that same lead project figure. I done went with no lights or no water, nickel. And I'm still hood, that mean I still could get on the block and get mine like you should. How can I be good when rappers wanna be sure? Surrounded myself with family so I can sleep good.
I was born, I've been hustling strong. I've been struggling since the town, now them days is gone. Said I wouldn't do it, now I'm proving it wrong. Now they got their hands out like I own it so. I ain't got time for the vicar and the carry, you know. Ain't too much in the hood, I don't know. How many times do I have to say that I'm wrong? I'm a young buck that's still enough to know when you niggas
I would like me a cancer stick, thinking how can I get my mama out the bricks and my whole clique legit. Me and the feds, it's just me and some Teds. We cutting heads, doing whatever to buy local bread. The high speed chases, I really loved it. To blow 50 G's and don't think nothing of it. We show love, but wouldn't no love show back. Oh,
últimos sabe. What part of the game is that? It's a fact and my war wounds on me can prove it. But look how you made me go and show you I can do it. I solemnly swear to hold it down for my homeboys. Locked up and don't know if they ever coming home, boy. Times keep ticking, another baby's born that's gonna go through the same stuff that I went through and more. You wonder why I hustle? My life's on the line. My baby gotta have milk when she crying. Come on, tonight.
I was born, I've been hustling strong. I've been struggling since a child, now them days is gone. Niggas said I wouldn't do it, now I'm proving it wrong. Now they got their hands out like I own it, so I ain't got time for the bicker and the carry, you know. Ain't too much in the hood, I don't know. How many times do I have to sit it and but I'm a young buck that's still enough to know when you niggas is home.
Everybody got their hand out. Crackhead Willie spent his millions till they ran out. Shorty don't wanna holler now because I'm man out. But just last week I couldn't get it out of damn mouth. Nowhere to go, look like I'm stuck in these bricks. Seem like the good die young, the bad get rich quick. Enough for this, let me take you to a whole nother level. Like stopping the police from rolling through the ghetto. Ain't nothing getting better, but the bills gotta be paid. And money come up short, then them texts gotta get sprayed. Everybody got it grade, we just waiting to go to it. No matter what we do, y'all, we still gon' go through it. Some say that I'm heartless and don't give a damn, but they will never understand until they get a gram. And this is who I am, not who I wanna be. Open up your eyes and see what these streets done done to me.
From the day I was born, I've been hustling strong. I've been struggling since a child, now them days is gone. Niggas said I wouldn't do it, now I'm proving it wrong. Now they got their hands out like I own it, so I ain't got time for the bicker and the carry, you know. Ain't too much in the hood, I don't know. How many times do I have to sit it and cry? I'm a young buck that's still enough to know when you living on a tightrope. Got me going down, down, down. Got me going psycho. Got me going down, down, down. Got me living on a tightrope. She got me going down, down, down. So I might call you tonight. If I do pick up, I got some gin in me, 100 bands on me. I'm feeling myself, yeah. I might say too much. Got me going psycho. She got me going down, down, down. Got me living on a tightrope. She got me going down, down, down. She got me going psycho. She got me going down.
Mixagem.
Got me living on a tightrope.
DJ.
I don't know you, but I know that you special. Fuck a verse, fuck a hook, I use the whole instrumental. Just to reiterate the commitment I have to explore. Like would you ride it like a horse? Like my last name is Lauren, I'm more than interested. Baby, I'm infatuated, you been held back. I'll get you to graduation, help you with your cash. Steer you clear of tax evasion, death grip on your ass. I call that assassination. I'm getting carried away, let's get married today. Fuck, here I go again like White Snake back in the day. I'm crazy and you crazy too, but I love that shit. You're bad and you're broken too, but I love that shit. Just be open to the possibility of me and you. That's all I ask. I've had the hoes, I got the cash, now I want you. Just be open to the possibility of me and you. That's all I ask. I've had the hoes, I got the cash. She got me going psycho. She got me going down, down, down. Got me living on a tightrope. She got me going down, down, down. She got me going psycho. She got me going down, down, down. Got me living on a tightrope. She got me going down, down, down. She got me going psycho.
Break it down. Don't leave your man, break it down. That's my man, check it down. Break it down. Break it down. Break it down.
Ladies, I wrote me a manual how to keep your man. These rules you must follow. My 10 commandments. Let me break them down for you. Rule number 1, never give him someone a first night. Never bring your man around your crew. Number 3, never call him first, let him call you. Never let him know your every move. Never tell him about your past. How many other lovers you had? How many other lovers went back? Make no exceptions if you want it to last.
Girl, you gotta understand. If you wanna keep your man with you,
DJ. Márcio.
Never mix business with pleasure. Never move in unless he tells you. Never tell your friends about your bedroom. Never let them know it's shoe size. Should've been rule number one. Cause if you give in on the first night, make sure you ride the thing. Scream his name and he'll be yours for life. Yes, I know you get excited. And you wanna tell all your friends. Just be sure. Girl, you gotta understand. Keep your man. You wanna keep your man. Girl, you gotta understand it. If you wanna keep your man with, follow my 10 commandments, and he'll keep coming back for more and more and more. There's no such thing as too much. Break it down. Break it down.
It made me an animal. Me and my girl Mo wrote y'all manual. Step-by-step booklet for you to keep your man in place and out the next real face. Rule number one, never give a dude money. Girl, don't be a dummy, let the homie stay bummy. Cause once he start, he won't stop, that's it. And all he gonna do is spin it on the next chick. Rule number two, before you give him some, is your way. Shopping a new car, that's what I call foreplay. Now don't get me wrong, respect your man. But if dude get out of line, then check your man. Rule number three, should've been number one to me. Never go down till he lick you round your neck, your back, your hand crack. 4, 5, and 6, very important lesson. Keep your man guessing, never let him see you stressing. And if you love him, here's 7, 8, 9, and 10. Never ever mess with his friends. You see, follow these rules, you have mad bread to break up. House on the beach and mad trips to Jacob. He'll be home at night, hooking you a steak up. And keep coming back for more on the wake up. Break it down.
Esse programa é o show.
Keep your man with me. Keep your man. Break it down. More and more. Understand, if you wanna keep your man, and you wanna hold on to him.
Taking pictures on your angles. Ooh, no, it ain't perfect, but we them close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for. No angel, but you got a halo. When it's love like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take you there. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take you there.
Like this, I never really spent no time like this, huh? Your second time at the crib knowing I might not hit. You said what I look like my bitch, yeah. Looking in your eyes, shit is dangerous. The pussy wet, I call it angel dust. I done put so many diamond chains on you, they get tangled up. I never felt like this, it's strange as fuck. Got your ex nigga calling, but he can't do much. Cause you with the kid now, LMA booed up. And all you gotta do is call and watch that Ray pull up. Under the stars since they throwing all the shade on us. Facts.
Woo. You feel the vibe, it's contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you're going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles.
Big side, big side,
we ain't
big
perfect,
side.
but we down close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for. That's what it's like loving.
You feel a vibe, I'm deep inside, yeah. You fucking me, ooh, I let you ride, yeah. At first you curved me, I let you slide in. Your hips so curvy, you let me slide in, ooh. And it was over once I flipped you over. Relation go, we come through just like Beyonce Hova. This the
Hermes money, this ain't no fashion over. You said your ass had you depressed, and I'm just glad that's over. Cause now you rockin' with a real one. And when I'm in it, you be maxing on $1 million. And when I hit it back to back, you make me still come. I know them bitches hating on you, we gon' kill them. That's facts.
You feel the vibe, it's contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you're going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we down close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for. That's what it's like loving you. Hey, you know you bad, babe. You know I laugh at these shorties that try to attach, babe. You from the project, but so exotic. Just give me all of that pussy, so many options. Girl, you got me calling all these different numbers. Why you being selfish? You know that
Esse programa é show.
Girl, you so contagious. Then that's just so dangerous. You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you're going through some changes. You taking pictures on your angles. Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we down close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for. That's what it's like, love.
That's how rough riders roll. Niggas wanna try, niggas wanna lie. Then niggas wonder why, niggas wanna die. All I know is pain, all I feel is rain. How can I maintain with that shit on my brain? I resort to violence, my niggas moving silence. Like you don't know what our style is. New York niggas the wildest, my niggas is with it. You want it? Come and get it. Took it, then we split it. Fucking right, we get it. What the fuck we gon' do? Fucking with the wrong crew. Don't know what we going through. I'ma have to show niggas how easily we blow niggas. When we find out it's some more niggas that's running with yo niggas. Nothing we can't handle. Break it up and dismantle. Light it up like a candle. Just cause I can't stand you. Put my shit on tapes like you busting grapes. Think you holding weight, then you haven't met the apes. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's how rough riders roll. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's how rough riders roll. Is y'all niggas crazy? I'll bust you and be swayzy. Stop acting like a baby. Mind your business, lady. Nosy people get it too. When you see me spit at you, you know I'm trying to get rid of you. Yeah, I know it's pitiful. That's how niggas get down. Watch my niggas spit round. Make y'all niggas kiss ground. Just for talking shit, clowns. Oh, you think it's funny? Then you don't know me, money. It's about to get ugly. Fuck a dog, I'm hungry. I guess you know what that means. Come up off that green. 5 niggas on ravine. Don't make it a murder scene. Give a dog a bone. Leave a dog alone. Let a dog roam and he'll find his way home. Home of the brave. My home is the cave. And yo, I'm a slave to my home is the grave. I'm a pull papers. It's all about the papers. Bitches caught the papers and now they wanna rape us. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's how rough riders roll. Stop, drop,
Mix on.
shut them down, open up shop.
DJ.
That's how rough riders roll. What you done start? Ask Rick, you got it. Had it, should've shot it. Now you dearly departed. Get at me, dog. Did I rip shit? With this one here, I'll flip shit. Niggas know when I kick shit, it's gonna be some slick shit. What would that look for when I walked in the door? Oh, you thought you was raw? Oh, not anymore. Cause now you on the floor. Wishing you never saw me walk through that door with that 4-4. Now it's time for babe. 2 more to the head. Got the floor red. Yeah, that nigga's dead. Another unsolved mystery. It's going down in history. Niggas ain't never did shit to me. Bitch ass niggas can't get to me. Got to make a move. Got a point to prove. Gotta make them groove. Got them all like ooh. So to the next time you hear this nigga rhyme, try to keep your mind on getting pussy and crime. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop.
Som dos Bailes.